some furniture tries too hard. Big arms, loud colors, complicated promises. This love seat does the opposite. It quietly shows up, fits in, and then earns its place by being useful every single day. The Living and Giving Loveseat sofa is a 70-inch wide piece that understands modern living spaces. Not everyone has room for a full sectional, and not every room should feel crowded. This loveseat sits right in that sweet spot. Wide enough for 2 adults to stretch out comfortably, deep enough to lie down with a book or let winter sunlight spill across the cushions, yet compact enough to work in apartments, bedrooms, offices, or those in-between spaces that never quite know what they're supposed to be. The comfort is immediate. Deep seats, paired with high-resilience spring foam, create a soft landing without turning into a sinking hole after an hour. It supports lounging, gaming, reading, and the kind of half-work, half-rest posture that defines working from home. Several users mention the depth as the standout feature. That extra space is what turns a love seat from nice to look at into hard to get up from. Structurally, this couch feels more serious than its size suggests. A reinforced metal frame combined with solid wood legs gives it a sturdy backbone. It's rated to handle up to 550 pounds, and real-world use confirms it holds its shape even with daily wear. Teenagers flopping down after school, adults stretching out for a break, or shared use in tight living quarters, this love seat doesn't complain. The wooden legs also include protective pads, which is a small detail but one that matters if floors are hardwood or tile. The design leans minimalist but not cold. The soft green linen fabric adds warmth without demanding attention. It works easily with Scandinavian, modern, boho, or even more traditional interiors. The color brings life into a room without overpowering it. This is the kind of couch that fills space instead of dominating it, which is exactly what many large rooms need when one corner feels empty. Assembly is refreshingly straightforward. Parts are labeled, tools are included, and the process doesn't turn into a weekend project. Most of the sofa feels ready right away, though the back cushions need up to 48 hours to fully expand. That's not a flaw, just something to know going in. Once settled, the cushions hold their shape well and don't look deflated or uneven. There is a modern touch built into the side, USB and Type-C charging ports. On paper, this sounds like a dream. In practice, reactions are mixed. The idea is appreciated, but the placement and usefulness don't impress everyone. For some, it feels unnecessary or slightly awkward compared to simply using a regular charger nearby. It doesn't ruin the experience, but it's not the main reason this love seat earns its keep. Maintenance stays simple. The fabric resists stains and cleans easily with a damp cloth. That matters for homes with kids, pets, or just real life happening daily. This isn't a couch that needs constant attention or special care. It's designed to be lived on, not tiptoed around. Overall, this love seat feels honest. It doesn't pretend to be luxury furniture or a design statement that belongs in a showroom. Instead, it offers solid comfort, reliable build quality, and a size that actually makes sense for modern homes. For small spaces, multi-use rooms, or anyone needing to fill an awkward empty area without regret later, it's a strong choice. Not perfect, but thoughtfully made, and that's often better.